Hi folks, it's Switchback. I want to talk about how to go to the bathroom in the woods today. Much of this information is coming from the Leave No Trace organization, and I'll be linking their website, lnt.org, on the description for today's video. So the first things you're going to need are a trowel, which is a little shovel that you'd use to dig a hole, some toilet paper, potentially some wipes, and a trash bag to discard your waste. You're going to look for a spot that's at least 200 feet from any water source, and that includes a dry creek bed. Spots that are sunny can help to kill any bacteria, and an elevated spot can help reduce the risk of getting poop in the water sources. Look for a spot that's not well traveled, ideally out of view of the trail. You'll dig a hole about 6 to 8 inches deep, and you can actually measure that with your trowel. My trowel is 8 inches deep, or 8 inches long, and so that is enough for me to be able to measure that. So you'll do your business in that hole, and then you'll cover it back up with the dirt that you dug out. Try to camouflage the spot, and again, pack out any wipes or tissue that you use. Many animals will be attracted to urine because they like the salt. So to reduce the attractiveness of that urine, you can always dilute it with a little water. Also, urinating onto gravel, a rock, or pine needles will also make it less attractive for them. Some places might require that you carry out your waste, and it's important to know what the regulations are where you're going and to adhere to them because they're there for a reason. There are systems that you can purchase online, often referenced as wag bags, but that brand name has changed. And so if you Google wag bag, though, you'll get connected to what you need to find. Some women use a female urination device. I personally have experience with the pee style. I find it really convenient to be able to do this and be able to pee without having to take off my pack. I keep the pee style in a Ziploc bag that's within reach, and then I can use a wipe to clean it out after each use. I can also rinse it out with a little bit of my water from my water bladder. I hope you found this useful information, and I will look forward to seeing any comments that you have about it. Please like and subscribe to this video, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!